Everyone loves that feeling when your package finally arrives, except these Karens really don't care about your feelings. Up first, Ring Doorbell captures two Karens stealing 16-foot inflatable Rudolph from a yard. This Karen has no heart as she was caught on camera stealing a whole bowl of candy. Who do you think is in the wrong? Leave a comment down below with your thoughts.
So, do you want to talk to me again?
How can I help you?
Look, I'm not trying to be ugly, and I'm not trying to cause any scene with you whatsoever. We live in a family environment here. I have children here too. To me, having the F word on your doormat is not respectful of anyone that lives here.
And it's not respectful of you to touch my property. It's not bothering anybody. I have my neighbors across the hall.
I'll pay you for your mat. I will pay you for your mat, but get that out of here. I don't know what made you change it to something so ugly as that, but I'm not going to. No, that's not the
because I've heard you stand in front of my Ring doorbell and talk about me, which was inappropriate of you. When you know.
What did I say about you? I haven't said anything about
ma'am, you can lie to Jesus Christ if you feel that is the truth. I don't care. You have talked about me in front of my Ring doorbell. I have proof of it. I have no reason to lie on you, make anything up on you, ma'am. So please, you could just move away from my door. Do not touch anything. You have been reported to the office. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Get a life.
You get a life, you mad old hag. You don't. Apparently you don't, you old heifer. Get on up them steps.
Well, this Karen's mission was cut short after she realized there was a doorbell camera filming her every move. Louisville homeowner uses video doorbell to deter a Karen.
Hey man, you like those candies? You like that candy?
Yeah. Ask if I could deliver this. Warm.
You wanna put that box back?
Yeah, I was gonna ask if there's a possibility, and I didn't know if y'all were living warm. Been on the streets for a couple of days.
You know, there's 3 pieces of candy in there, and it ain't worth taking.
No, I got a honey bun. The lady next door.
Well, I got your face for the cops.
No, I'm
You probably ought to take off and get off my porch.
No problem, sir. No, I'm sorry.
A homeowner installed a Ring camera and noticed this lady constantly touching and reading her packages.
Like finals or something. So, is that your package?
No.
A Tigger flag hanging on someone's porch shouldn't be such an issue. However, when you have a Karen living in your neighborhood, it changes everything.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I want to talk about this Tigger flag.
Okay.
I don't like it.
Okay, why not?
Now, I thought the American flag was real nice.
Uh-huh.
I don't say nothing about the shrubbery being cut. I don't say nothing about the backyard. But now, I don't like that.
Oh, okay, I didn't hang that. My brother hung that.
Well, I know. I'm just telling you, I don't like it.
Okay.
And we have rules. I won't have to go find out what they are, but I don't like that.
I mean, this isn't a homeowners association, though.
No, but there's rules for the community. There is called Williamsburg something, and there's rules.
Okay.
So, I'm just saying, I don't like it.
All right.
It makes it look tacky.
Welcome.
Makes the neighborhood look tacky.
It doesn't, but that's okay.
Huh?
I said it doesn't, but it's okay. You're allowed your opinion.
Okay. Thank you.
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna find out about it.
All right. Well, you have a good day.
Ignore.
Now we have a doorbell camera that captured this Karen. Roll the clip.
Okay, if you can get away with it because I'm American, it's my property.
Okay, then give me your full name.
Go for it. Tell me some illegal paperwork because I know you didn't buy this house. You don't have enough money. Get off my property. Is Mike and Leslie your real estate agent? Do it. American citizen angry at you.
Dealing with a Karen can be extremely difficult, but having one as a neighbor can be 10 times worse.
Stay.
And she was caught again on the next night.
Night number 2. Angry Karen door slamming fit. Even her cat dipped.
We all hear you. I hope you feel better now.
She, in fact, did not feel better.
And again.
Why are you laughing at me? No, I have seedlings and stuff in here. You are laughing. That's what you do. You're scoffing.
No, I really don't.
I'm doing what I would like to do with my
I
things.
just said you could use my hose and use water. There just seemed like a lot of
I don't need the offhanded comment about things down.
Okay. Good morning. Good morning.
It seems like Karens and Kevins are starting at a younger age, just like this kid caught on doorbell camera doing this. Take a look.
Little boy, you better get your off my porch beating on my door like this. I will call the police. You need to leave. Don't you ever beat on my goddamn door like that. Go. Okay.
Son never touched your car.
We
you got
have
no video that he touched your car?
The neighbor does across the street.
You got video?
Come over.
Not really. We have it on video. All right, get off my property. Seriously, get off my property. Well, that's it. Because you ain't coming over here talking nicely. You're accusing my son. I'm showing you the video.
We're showing you the video.
The door. You ain't showing me the video of me scratching your car. Get off my plan. That's my vine. Get off my plan.
Baby, get off the vine.
I ain't even gonna go there. No, that's my grapevine. All right,
okay, thank you.
You owe me a plant if I don't owe you. I bet you want to bring your mother.
Please stop, sir. All we want to do is just talk to you civil.
That's the problem. You and your kids want to play victim. Your son came over here.
Y'all are so violent.
Your son came over here. Your son came over here. Bring it over here again.
Please. You have a gun.
Come over here on my side and see what the
Karen makes multiple harassment appearances, which was later posted online after being caught on a doorbell camera.
Freak. You are a freak.
After these people only moved in a couple months ago, they finally met their neighbor Karen. Just listen to her Karen laugh.
Oh, open the door up. I hear you. Open the door up. I hear you. Open the door up. I'm your neighbor. Seriously, what is the problem here? Hi. Hi. All right. Hi. I just wanted to tell you. Hi. Step out. Step out. Okay. Next door neighbor. Okay. So your garbage can't be there. So I moved it. Okay. You are a renter. Okay.
Here's what the owner had to say.
Hi. I just wanted to say, I don't know who you think you are or why you think it's okay to come onto our porch and demand my mom to open the door like you did. No, I have video of it, okay?
Okay, so I just got a notification that someone was on our walkway again, like I do every single night, that this lady walks onto our walkway through our driveway to go and walk her dog off of its leash. So basically I walked out and said, I don't know who you think you are or why you think it's okay to come onto our porch and demand my mom to open the door like you did. And as you can see, she literally immediately says, no, I didn't. So I said, we have a Ring camera, ma'am. Throughout the entire interaction, she literally tries to cut me off every single time I try to talk. It really pisses me off that the Ring stopped recording though, because at one point when I said, if you're gonna come over here with that demeanor, acting like that towards my mom, then don't walk on our walkway or our yard, because obviously we don't feel comfortable with that. When I said don't walk your dog without a leash on our property, then this lady has the audacity to walk right up to me and say, this isn't your yard, this is common area. Our driveway and our walkway is common area. Also, when I talked about the dog coming over here without a leash, she said, well, your dog's always off a leash. So then again, I pointed out that we have a Ring, so every time we walk our dog out, you can clearly see that we have her on a leash. She also started complaining about where we park. So I said, do you complain about other people that are literally parking there every single night? And she said, no. And I said, okay, so why are you picking on us then? And she said someone complained and told me to say something. And then I told her, I said, I'm a nurse, I work night shift. My mom works at a hospital, she works day shift. So sometimes we park there because we have to switch our cars out early in the morning. And so then I pointed out, I said, we're good neighbors, we're not loud, we don't cause problems. And she was like, yeah, you guys are good neighbors. And so I said, then leave us alone. What is your problem then? Just like you said in the first video, what is the problem? So I asked her, are you complaining about other people's garbage cans or just ours? And she said, that's fine. Your landlord can just get fined for it. And the way that our landlord addressed it when I messaged him about her coming at us was he basically made it seem like, oh, just keep it in the garage so that way she doesn't cause problems. Not so much like, oh, I'm going to get fined. And so then I told him, even if so, like, you should be the one addressing us, not her. I don't know why she thinks that she needed to take it into her own hands to come at us like that. The whole situation just sucks because, like I said, we just moved here. And it's just sad because I know for my own sanity, there's no way that I could stay here after our lease is up.
Kevin neighbor gets instant karma for trying to destroy the Ring doorbell. Doorbell camera catches this crazy Karen. Take a look.
Hi, do you live here?
Yeah, I will live here.
Okay. Are you any good with computers?
We're in bed.
Can I come up?
No, we're in bed.
Oh, you're inside. I thought you said you were outside. Do you have time to come over and help me with it? If you don't, I'm just going to have to wait tomorrow and go to Best Buy or something. So it's up to you. But I'm waiting for an MRI to be scheduled of my head since I probably broke my nose and shoved it up into my head.
Can we do this tomorrow? It's like 3:30 in the morning.
Yes, I'll get up and do that with you at 3:30 in the morning.
No, it's 3:30 in the morning right now. Can we do this tomorrow?
Yes, we can do it tomorrow. Or I can just take it somewhere tomorrow. It's fine. I'm not trying to be a pain in the butt. I just hate computer stuff. And we're getting the kinks worked out of mine. It's new software, new hard drive, new everything. I'm way behind the times. So I'll just wait. Okay. Let me know. I'll be happy to call someone.
Okay.
All right.
Viral TikTok shows angry Karen tearing down a Ring camera.
Here's a because seriously, if not, I'm gonna have to start slamming on. I'm not okay with that. No, you know what? I'm not okay with that. You can't face it. You're not gonna drive everyone crazy.
Karen thinks she has the right to show up on someone's doorstep because she is not impressed about their candles. Play the clip.
Are you Megan? Pardon? Okay. Well, I just needed to talk to somebody. I want to know why outside my garage there's witchcraft candles burned with your all's address, and I have all the yeah, please. What's going on? You know, I was going outside today and there's a bunch of witchcraft candles burned around my garage. What's your all's? I'm not content. We have a family business, so I turn these wigs into that.
We bring you this Karen that followed someone home all because she believes he cut her off.
I just slam on my brakes because you sat around me in a very short period of distance.
You know what this is?
I know what that is, and I have been. I've been driving since before you were born.
I've been driving
before you were born.
So okay.
Yes,
So you
I
think it's
follow
fun to follow
and
people.
your job is to merge safely, and you did not.
And that's your fault.
No, it is not my fault.
Yeah, it
you
is.
are driving your car.
Right, and you're driving your car. I tell you what.
Your car. Yeah, I'm driving it very well.
Were you?
Yes.
I don't know about that.
All right.
All right,
You almost caused an accident.
Anthony, that's enough.
What happened?
And she followed him home.
Because of you.
Okay, so why do you think it's safe for you to follow someone home?
Because he needs to know. He laughed. When I talked to him, he laughed.
So she decided,
He laughed.
I'm in the merchant lane. I'm in front of her. She decided, okay,
I am a mother.
Okay, but you have to come into my house. First of all, and stay in my house, causing issues. Get the out of here now. You're causing issues here. Karen, are you serious?
I am not Karen.
Get the phone out of my face. Karen?
That's not my name.
Really? You act like a Karen? You don't follow somebody to their house. You should have just kept going and left it alone. Get your out of here. Get your out of here.
Yes, exactly. The exact description. Short hair, too. And she put groceries in her car, and milk and eggs and stuff. She's been sitting here letting that go to her. And she wants to sit here and yell at us. I can. Even the operator said, man, you need to go, you need to leave. You can't do that. And she's over here yelling at the 911 operator. And she won't leave.
I do this job every day. I would not follow something.
Oh, the cop is going off on her.
I do this job every day. I will not follow somebody home.
He said, I do this job every single day. I would not follow somebody home if they cut me off. You need to go.
Having a Karen neighbor must be extremely difficult, especially this one that pounds on your door.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
No, I've listened to your dogs bark every minute of every day for 2 years. You come out and talk to me. Hi. You come out and talk to me. Hi. Please come out. I've listened to your dogs bark every minute for 2 years. You come talk to me. My name's Emmy Jo, and your dog has barked every single minute of every single day for 2 years. So inside my house.
So you're the one that called
No.
Get rid of 4 dogs.
I have never.
We have come across a delightful Karen who decided to dump both buckets of candy from a porch, so no other children could get any. Sharing is caring. This Karen is apparently not impressed with the grass. Roll the clip.
Hello? Knockity knock knock knock. Hello? Hi. Hello? Hi. Hi. I'm the neighbor across the street. I noticed that your grass is not standard. Blue, I don't know what it is. I watched you come in from the store. Hello. I just like to let you know about the grass. I brought some of my own. It's on the ground. I can give it to you. I could slide it on the floor if you want. I just want you to know what kind it is. Okay, well, you know what? I don't have a lot to do today, so I can hang here if you want me to.
But just listen to what she says next.
My husband said the wind chimes because it's been real windy, and he said take them down. That might affect my sleep, but I actually think it's the grass that's on my mind. Okay? I'll wait. I'll wait. You are the apple of my eye. I think I woke up this morning and that was on the alarm. You know how that just plays and it gets in you hear it all day. It must have been on. I haven't heard that song in a while. I could take some photos of the grass, your grass, and I could put them up against my grass. We can compare notes, because you'll see a big difference. It's a good neighborhood, I'll tell you that much. You are the apple of my eye.
Karen has a meltdown and almost breaks the doorbell ringing multiple times.
Open your door.
What do you want?
I want to talk to the grown-up who lives here.
Why? What happened?
Answer the door.
What happened?
Answer the door.
No, I don't even know who
I'm
you
your
are.
neighbor.
Is something
Yes.
wrong? Well, can you tell me what it is?
Open
You
the
seem
door.
pretty angry. I really don't want to open the door unless you calm down.
Open the door. I'm sorry.
Can you just tell me if something went wrong or if
Yes.
something happened? I'm not aware.
There is something wrong.
Made you angry.
Who are you?
Well, can you tell me what?
You're the mother of this house?
I'm the mother of this house.
Great. Well, we've never met, so let's meet. If your cat doesn't stop pissing and eating and biting all of the things at my house when I don't own a cat and you do, I'm going to get the police involved because I am fed up. My son is very allergic to cats. Your cat will not stay out of my yard, my house, my garage. He gets into my house. Keep your cat. It's your cat. I've already met your husband about it.
Karen neighbor, who is actually named Karen, goes crazy, all because this homeowner's dog was barking at her dog, who started barking first. Mr. Karen gets caught on a Ring camera because, according to him, he tripped and fell on an extension cord that was outside, and he's going to report it to God.
Hello? One more time. I know they can see me. Huh? No, there's 3 cars out here in front of the house. Hello, how you doing, sir? Excellent. Not good, man. Not good. I was out exercising this morning, and I tripped over your cord there. Oh. Yeah, and I'm sorry, man, but I got to make a call. I've already broken my foot once last year on all these sidewalks turning into obstacle courses, dude. And, and I did hurt myself again. But I mean, yeah, that's unacceptable. I mean, I shouldn't be out here I should be able to run the sidewalks, not right. So. I mean, I got to report it, dude. I'm sorry. I was just letting you know, though, but that cord is dangerous, dude. I ate hard. So, you have the other one, another one ate over there. So, I've already called them, but yeah, I mean, you know? Yeah, right, that's fine. I'll go ahead and take it out. I appreciate it, Bob. Have a good day. Yes, sir.
The way this Karen is going, it looks like this doorbell might break shortly.
Oh, come on! Yeah, okay.
Having a Karen neighbor must be extremely difficult, like the next clip shows. Leave a comment down below if you think they're both Karens.
You see it?
Do what you want.
On my property.
Do what you want.
On my property.
Do what you want. Do what you want.
all day, and I'm the psycho one. Oh, yeah. Oh, did the rocks hurt you? Doing some porn tonight?
It just continues on going.
You get near my car again like that, I'm calling the police. I will have cameras in the carport in a few days. Look, Karen, you don't understand this is in our pathway. It is on my property.
Don't. Hey, man, call 911.
Please do.
Why? Because you'd be served.
Oh.
That is not your...
Yeah, your friend Karen here keeps putting her in our way so we can't get out of our apartment. It's all on camera, honey.
I don't care.
You're gonna look like an idiot. And I'm literally gonna complain to Jim about you doing this. I have it all on camera.
Putting their camera right into my apartment and
It
my
can't
window.
be in your apartment or your window.
And listen to
And I'll
my
show the video to Jim.
conversation. Good.
I have you on camera harassing me for weeks now, so just leave us alone. Why can't you just leave us alone? Why do you have to do everything you can to try and make our life a living hell? Like, stop putting your box right here, your little stand with your birthday baby wrapping around it and your bush right here blocking our door to get out. Stop being a Karen. My God, please call the police because they're going to laugh at you and they're going to tell you you can't secure our pathway to get out. Yes, you are.
Really?
Yes, you are.
Well, I got video of everything.
Oh, so do I, sweetheart. I have a video of you calling me every time you walk out your door and I'll show that to Jim. I have it on camera. Good. You have nothing on me. So good luck.
Oh, wow, okay.
Good luck.
Good.
You're going to look like a...
Good.
Stop blocking our pathway.
Accidentally knocking something over shouldn't be big. However, to this Karen, she believes she needs to call the cops, and that's what she did.
Whoops. Well, I just knocked your stuff down by accident. Hey, I know you have an issue with me, but I just knocked your stuff down by accident. You want to come out here?
I'm calling the police.
Because I'm carrying stuff?
I'm calling the police.
Well, then call the police. Do what you need to do. Hey, you see it there.
Oh, really?
Dude, look! I'm literally...
You have a camera right there! Yeah, I knocked my thing down, and it hit your thing down, just so you're aware. Please call the police, because then they're going to see. You're freaking crazy. Don't touch my stuff. 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 Don't touch any of my stuff. Don't touch my stuff. Oh my God. Don't touch my stuff. How dare you? How dare you? I knocked my thing over and it hit your thing and it fell like a domino. Do you not hear yourself? Don't touch my stuff. You can just listen to what happened.
And this is what happens when the cops arrive.
She did get served with injunction against harassment. Based on everything there is, her ring video was working on hers and has audio and video. It shows that nothing she did was malicious intent or intentional or anything like that. It was simply an accident as far as I go. So she is not going to be charged with the damage for the camera. I will document it. Okay. Can you tell me how much the camera costs?
It was 80 plus the batteries were 30.
Okay, so $100. Yeah. Okay. So that's kind of where that's at. So she's been served with it. She was explained majority of the order. She does have a right to go get a no injunction against harassment on you as well if she chooses to do so on that. The other thing is you can't, in the eyes of the courts, if you try and provoke or solicit those responses, even though you have an injunction against her, like that's not going to be viewed as a violation as far as that goes. If you're trying to provoke or elicit responses to get that person to violate the order. Okay? Okay. So
but I have a right to have my video cameras up to protect me.
Yeah.
You know, just like that. Watch me right now.
Yeah. But what I'm saying is if she goes out walking by and you start yelling profanities at her, trying to engage her, like the court's it's not going to be viewed as if she responds and tells you I would never get this off. That's fine. Then that's not going to be viewed as a violation because you're actually trying to solicit those responses from that individual. That's fine. Okay. So as I said, like I said before, she's not going to be charged with anything as far as it goes today. Okay. There's no criminal intent behind what happened.
But she admitted to knocking it over, smashing my camera.
Well, she showed me the video where she steps out of her door.
Right.
And the boxes that she
I have the pictures right there.
Okay, yeah, she actually has a whole video.
Yeah.
Not just pictures of it, she has a video with audio and video of it. And it's very clear based on her video that there wasn't an intent behind it. That she's carrying those boxes that bumped the one stand, which bumped the other stand and knocked it over. It was purely an accident at that point, as far as that goes. So secure your camera someplace where it can't be knocked over or knocked off or whatever, and you can go from there. Okay. All right, thank you. Any questions? Nope. Okay. Thank you. Thanks.
Up next, we have this Karen. Check it out. Check this Kevin out.
My buddy's Ring camera from the other day. He triggered a male Karen.
How you doing? Hey.
You live here, right? Do you have a motorcycle? Yeah. Did you just come off the street? Just now, yeah. Hey, what in the world, man? What? Are your parents there? Can I talk to her? Is she available? Well, you can talk to me. What happened? Okay, how old are you? 19. Okay. And, do you live here? Yeah. Okay. But you don't own the house, so let me talk to your mother. No, you can talk to me. Okay. You really want to do this right now? No, I just want to know. You're acting like a maniac on the street. What? When I pass the kids? Yes. No, they're all waving. They know me. I was just waving at them. They know you. You're 19 years old. How do they know you? Because I have a 9-year-old brother, and they come and try to see if you want.
Let me know what you would have done if this Karen came knocking at your door demanding a tip.
An $8 tip.
What the hell are you looking for? I gave an $8.
Okay, I'm gonna bring the food back. I'm gonna bring the food back. Okay.
A DoorDash driver refused to give a customer his food after she felt stiffed by the $8 tip.
Do you realize how far it is? Do you realize you ordered from Colmac and you're in Smithtown?
That's a 15-20 minute drive.
It's not. You need to try to drive it. I just drove it. It's 40 minutes. It's 12 and a half miles. So I don't think you realize how far it is.
So what do you have to pick up if you think it's that far?
They don't let us know how far, so I think you need to adjust your tip to make it right.
How much is the tip?
An $8 tip.
What the hell are you looking for? I gave an $8.
Okay, I'm gonna bring the food back. Okay.